today we are in Tennessee because we were here for my brother's DI Global Finals. It's actually right above me right now, and that just happened, but now we're in Pigeon Forge. We have 2 days here, and I thought it would be a good idea since we're literally in the Smoky Mountains to bring a drone and try and make a little video out of it. So, here we go. Of the pool here at the Dolly Parton Wood Hotel. 10 out of 10, would swim again. Running in a minute, but I don't know, it's like 2 o'clock, so we'll have to see how the rest of the day plays out.
One of the nice things about running in somewhere you've never been before is it's kind of an adventure. We don't know where we're going, everything's going uphill. Now we're heading into this like mountain. Now we're just in the middle of nowhere, running on this random road. This is so different than anywhere I've ever run before.
Oh my god, that run was brutal. It's like 90 degrees out, blazing sun on the asphalt.
Reservation, so I don't know, it's really bad. It's like downpouring. Visitor center for the Smoky Mountains to kind of learn more about it. It's like a mini museum. It's kind of raining though, so I'm gonna put this away. Fun visitor center, definitely would recommend if you're here in the Smoky Mountains. It's like a mini museum. We're gonna head to lunch soon and drive through the mountains. We're heading to one of the most touristy things of all time. We're going to a mirror maze created by Ripley's, believe it or not. It's like totally the definition of a tourist trap, but like who cares? It's gonna be fun. I need your help. This is so cool. Yeah, I need your help. This mirror is insane. Everywhere. I need your help. The maze was fun. It's about 5 o'clock. Our plane leaves at 6:20, heading back to Chicago, and then everything should be back to normal. Fun weekend trip though.